Hello, so I have created a game here, and it's a park with a maze, and you can see flowers, trees, mountains in this game. The scene here is you have to walk around and you have to walk past this maze without colliding with the wooden crates here, and you have to reach the finish line that's floating, as you can see. And you are seeing Jasper here. He's the animator who's belly dancing, and you have to reach him through this maze. So I have created two entryways here, and one entryway, the one that you're seeing in the right, is for the player to get confused while they're playing because it's a very short entryway without like it won't let the players go. So you can walk past very carefully without colliding the box. And so I have created two floating boxes here, and the player can crouch and go past the boxes, or if he tries to walk and the box hits him, the whole maze is going to crash and he's gonna lose the game. So you have to be very careful with this. There are three floating boxes here. You're almost at the end of the game, so you can crouch, yes, and then reach the finish line. So Jasper is going to scream, "You got it." Yes. And now let's see how you fail the game by doing it one more time. So if you go through the whole game again and get hit by the floating boxes, you're going to lose it. Or even if you get hit by any of the walls here. So yes, that's how the game is over when you know